So I was at Costco the other day, and I'm not really a shopper, but I do like Costco. And I came across an item I've never seen there before, and at a price I've never seen before. And it's something that I think you're going to jump at, like me, if you're a baker with a Costco membership. But first, I'm Ken Heydrich, Dean of the Pie Academy, and if you're not already a subscriber to our YouTube channel, I hope you'll hit that little subscribe button below and the little bell icon too, and that way you'll be notified whenever we put up a new video. Thanks. So there I was, tootling along with my cart in Costco, when I made a left and down the aisle where they have the pots and pans and the food storage containers and all that sort of thing. Frankly, the selection doesn't change very often in that aisle, but about halfway down, I saw something new that caught my eye. It was this box full of USA Pan baking sheets. Now, if you've been around the Pie Academy for a while and watched my videos, then you know that I'm a huge fan of USA Pan's bakeware. You've heard me profess my love for their pie pans and go on and on about their jelly roll pan, among others. I just love how rugged the stuff is and that it doesn't buckle when you put it in a hot oven. And what a beautiful job it does of browning things. Made in the USA too. All that, and it's always priced right. But I have never seen a price this good before anywhere. Costco sells these half-sheet pans, 2 to the pack, for $19.95. An absolute steal because you'd normally pay that for one of these half-sheets. And if you don't need 2, do what I did and give one away to a friend or your sister at a gas station. It's a long story. Now, I guarantee you're going to get a lot of use out of these sheets. You'll bake galettes on them. You'll put your pies on them, big and small, so they don't spill over into your oven. You'll bake your hand pies in there, maybe even make a big tomato slab pie this summer. Not to mention cookies and biscuits and 100 other things. Anyway, since I was feeling giddy about my find and already had my phone out, I decided to poke around Costco a little bit and show you a couple of other things that I often pick up here for baking. I really like these plastic bins. First time I had seen these too. Again, if you watch my videos, you know that I'm a real nag about storing your flour in something with a wide opening like this, so the flour is easy to access and measure. These bins would be perfect. Narrow bag openings just really bug me. Now, back in the produce section, I found my favorite organic medjool dates. These are super soft and sweet as candy. They have absolutely nothing in common with those hard chopped dates you buy in little boxes at the supermarket. By the way, they're also the dates that I use for one of my fan favorite pies, the chewy medjool date nut pie in my new book, Pie Academy. I'll put the link to that recipe below. Now, I almost always cruise by the cheese section to pick up some cheese for my quiches. There are so many to choose from, but one of my favorites is the house brand goat cheese. It's got a tart, earthy flavor that tastes fabulous with virtually any vegetable quiche. And I make a lot of those this time of year. And again, the price is ridiculously good. Finally, I almost always pick up unsalted butter here. You know, for years I bought the more expensive brand name butters at the supermarket and even some of the European butters too. But, and maybe this is just me and my palate, in the end I just didn't notice enough of a taste difference in my pies and my other baking to justify spending twice as much for something I use so often. So I've been using Costco butter ever since. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little pie baker's trip to Costco. Do me a favor if you're watching this on YouTube and leave a comment below if you buy any of your baking supplies at Costco. I'd love to hear what you get there. Thanks. While you're at it, I hope you'll like this video. And if you're not already a subscriber, please sign up over at thepieacademy.com so you don't miss any upcoming videos and recipes that we post. Thanks a lot and take care.